Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 20, the 50, and the 200 EMA on cTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open cTrader, then go to this if icon here at the top. Click on Find Indicator and type EMA. Now EMA stands for Exponential Moving Average. Okay, so choose it here, as you can see. Click on it and go to period. Now let's start with the 20. We have here the color. You can change it if you want. So for me, I will keep this one for the 20. You can change the line from here and you can change the thickness from here. I will choose, for example, 3 and click on OK. Now this is our 20 EMA. As you can see, we have here exponential moving average 20. Okay. Now let's add the 50. Again, go to the F icon, EMA, exponential moving average. Go to periods and type 50. For this one, I will give it, let's say yellow color. And the thickness, I will change it also to 3. Click on OK. And this one is our 50, as you can see here. Now let's add the 200. Again, EMA, exponential moving average, periods, and type 200. It's just the same thing. Okay. For the color, I will give it white. And the thickness for this one, I will give it 5, for example. Now click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our 200 EMA. This one is the 50, and this one is the 20. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.